How to choose right voice for your text. That depends on a few things. Who you're talking to, who is your audience, and what your text is about. In some cases, you can choose either male or female voice. In other cases, may require a specific gender. So, for example, create a voiceover with male and female voices. Let's listen if it makes any difference. Let's listen to one paragraph. Let's choose a short one, this one. Now we will read it with Shimmer's voice.
But what if you need help? Fear not, s'il vous plaît comes to your rescue. It means please and is essential in making polite requests. Pair it with excusez-moi, excuse me, and you've got the perfect conversation starter for asking directions or seeking assistance.
Now, male voice.
But what if you need help? Fear not. S'il vous plaît comes to your rescue. It means please and is essential in making polite requests. Pair it with excusez-moi, excuse me, and you've got the perfect conversation starter for asking directions or seeking assistance.
For me personally, both voices worked just fine. And if you want to dig deeper and to understand which voice would be better for you, you can go to Help Center, open this selection behind the voices, and here you can find posts which will explain you how to choose right voice for a message, major differences between voices, male and female voices, how to choose right tonality, right accent, and that should be really helpful. But now let's go back to our text, and I will show you how to choose voices from Kukarella's library of voices. To add a voice, you click on this button, Add Voice, and in the left column you see all supported languages and accents. For English we have how many? Probably 15 accents. I think for Spanish we have even more. Yeah, probably close to 20 accents. But let's say that you're looking for English US. You can apply filters. You can choose multilingual voices, cloned voices. If you created cloned voices, they will be under this category. Voices that support styles, voices which you use most, which you like most. Neural voices, just one category of voices created with some sophisticated. It doesn't mean that they are better than others, it's just slightly different category. But if we choose for text like this, which has mix of different languages, it uses words in English and French, then you probably should go with multilingual voices. These voices will read text in any language as native speakers. So you wouldn't worry about that. If you choose not multilingual voice.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to...
Then it will probably be good, but let's play the same sample with this voice. This is not multilingual voice, I just want to listen how it will read French words.
Now, let's move on to expressing gratitude. Merci is your go-to word for thank you. Simple yet powerful, this word can open many doors in French culture. For an extra touch of politeness, try merci beaucoup, thank you very much. It's amazing how these two little words can brighten someone's day.
Not bad, but I'm pretty sure that it wasn't a Parisian French accent. It was probably more American French. Let's listen how this multilingual voice reads the same text.
Now let's move on to expressing gratitude. Merci is your go-to word for thank you. Simple yet powerful, this word can open many doors in French culture. For an extra touch of politeness, try merci beaucoup, thank you very much. It's amazing how these two little words can brighten someone's day.
Okay, not a huge difference. Maybe words are too short. Maybe it's not, the difference is not obvious for my ear. Maybe you'll listen more. But anyway, this was regular voice, while first two, Shimmer and Onyx, were multilingual voices. I just wanted to show you the difference between them. If you have a mix of words, mix of languages in your text, and if you want it to sound authentic in all languages, go with a multilingual voice. Voices which support styles. This is another good, interesting category. Styles. Maybe you want this text to be read with a cheerful style, or excited, or friendly. Or maybe you want empathetic. Or it could be a tutorial for customer service. In this case, you can choose customer service. Or for documentary movie, you can go with narration professional. For newscast casual, newscast formal. So styles are great if you want to add some color to your text. So let's try something. So this one supports many styles. Let's choose art area. And now when you click on this actor's card, you can see style. By default it shows general, but you can change to narration professional. And now everything will be read. You choose that voice area, narration professional. It will be read with
Now, imagine you're at a charming Parisian cafe, ready to order your first authentic French croissant. Here's where J.E. Voudrais, I would like, comes in handy. J.E. Voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît, I would like a coffee, please. Voila. You've just placed your first French order.
Not sure about sound of French, but you heard their style. It was narration professional. Now let's choose empathetic, just to listen to the difference.
But what if you don't understand something? Don't panic. Simply say, Je ne comprends pas, I don't understand, or ask Parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? Remember, it's always appreciated when you try to speak French first before reverting to English.
So, difference is obvious. Yeah, it reads text slower and it doesn't have that narration professional sound of it. What else? So we checked styles. You know what cloned voice or custom voice is. Multilingual. They good if voice has mix of languages. But if you want native reader and your text is English only or in French, what we noticed is that native voices, I mean voices which are not multilingual, make fewer mistakes. They are more accurate. So if you have text in English and you want it to be read with certain style, voices that support styles would be your choice. Next, this is pretty simple. You can filter voices by gender or by age. Child voices.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice. There are other options too.
Okay, so hope this helps, and now you understand how to choose a voice and way to find them. If you have any questions, please send us a mail to support@kukarella.com and we'll be happy to help. Otherwise, enjoy and hope you will create a great voiceover. Bye.